As we move it on, I mean, we're going to keep this with the science theme. So let's now go over to our very own Kate the Chemist as she explains just what it takes to make her exciting experiments possible.
What's up, Irish? Kate the Chemist here, coming to you live from the ND STEM studio. I'm so excited to be part of ND Day because this year we are part of the Global Science Engagement team and we are going to bring our science out to you. So that's right, our plan is to take Notre Dame science on the road. We've got faculty, undergrads, postdocs, grad students, and we want to bring all of them and their research to you. Plus, let's blow some things up along the way. So if you support our cause, which by the way, we're trying to raise $3,000 from 60 different donors, you would be supporting a number of different experiments. So for example, the elephant's toothpaste thing I do, where we put our hydrogen peroxide in there, add the catalyst, and then shoot foam everywhere, that costs at least $30 every single time. This hydrogen peroxide, I can only use for 2 of them. This, I use potassium iodide. I use the whole thing every single time. So we really go through money doing that one. It's a good one. But that makes a huge mess. So I need to have some tablecloths. That's anywhere between $1 to $6. The $6 are the really nice Notre Dame branded ones. But we got to do that. We got to do it. Tarps are $2 a pop. You know I go through these. Safety equipment, we have a lot of. So these lab coats are flame retardant. So they're about $150 a piece. Our cryo gloves, they're about $20. These aren't too bad. But these gloves, these disposable gloves, which we go through a lot, they're $115 a case. And you know we need all different sizes because people have different size hands. Then if we took up our fire stuff, this Coleman is about $7 a pop, but the top piece, the torch, that's more than $50. And you know we need more than one of them because I'm not the only person who breathes fire. Last but not least, our alcohol cannon. These things right here, I can reuse if I use my ethanol or my propanol, but if I use methanol in it, it melts the whole thing, and so I can only use this one time for that experiment. These are about $15. Sometimes I can get them on sale at Walmart, but not always, so these really add up as well. So, as a way to beg you, please support our cause. We would love to bring our science to you. I'm going to do one quick experiment for you. Let's breathe some fire, but we gotta do it safely, so let me clear a space right here. Okay? And so I already told you about our torch. It's not too expensive except for the equipment. But then we have to buy cornstarch. You know I buy name brand cornstarch because we want a good flame. Bottled water, we can buy that in bulk. Plastic spoon. For RMS, I want you to see that I'm taking it out of a plastic bag. I am not putting something in my mouth that was on my lab bench. That would be nuts. All right, y'all, we're gonna do a tiny one because I don't want to set this camera on fire that's directly above me, but please consider donating to us. I'm not gonna be able to talk after I do this, so thank you so much for Irish. I love you all. South Bend has been amazing to me. Notre Dame has been amazing to me, so thank you so much to this community. I'm really falling in love with all of you, and I would love to meet more of you, so let's bring science on the road. Okay, global science engagement. Please support us, please support us. Okay, here we go. Back to you.
All right, thank you so much for that look behind the scenes, Kate. We told you she was awesome. That was incredible. Now let's hear about some ways your giving on Notre Dame Day makes a difference.